My previous bathroom just leaked through the door and into the hallway. We were constantly mopping up water off the bathroom floor, and it was quite dangerous. Basically the whole family was benefiting from this renovation. Our plumber supplier, when we were purchasing all the tapware and tiles and fixtures, recommended Esteem. There was plenty of great reviews and the price was right. Sadu, using WhatsApp, kept us pretty much informed on what was happening on each day. There were no hiccups, it was seamless, and we finished a couple of days early and on budget. We're amazed with the end product, very happy. There's no more flooding and it's added value to the property. Mainly because, as I say, the process was seamless, and that's what people want.